Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Binary Option Trading Tips. I will show you how you can add or you can upload your bot on your bot page. So first you have to go binary.com, then binary bot, then you will get this page. So then you can refresh, then you can upload bot. So today I will show you non-martingale bot, so that without any risk you can earn money unlimited. Okay, so if you use this bot, your balance suppose $33 is enough, and if you want to use martingale, so you need more balance, so better $350 if you have, so you will earn more money in a day. So I will show you again how you can use martingale and you can use non-martingale same bot. Just wait. So okay, I'm using two boot. Please subscribe my channel for getting more videos, and I think you will enjoy this video. If you have time, you can check every video and you will get idea if we have a good board or a good manual strategy, we can make money without any loss. This one is non-martingale bot and this one is martingale bot. So also loss in same is because this is same bot, same logic bot. So if you want, you can take this one. If you want, you can take this one also, and this one is a little bit different from this one. So I will discuss about this bot. This bot is martingale bot. So if you use stake suppose $1, so it will open again after loss 5x. This is little bit slow but accurate, because after every loss it will take more time to open next one. So actually today I wanted to show you just non-martingale bot. Okay, so maybe I will close this one, because I want to show you about non-martingale bot, and I want to show you the results of this bot. So okay, I will close this one after again win. Okay. This board is little bit slow. Okay, again win. Okay, I will stop this board. I'll close this board because I want to show the result of this board. This is non-martingale. You can check after one loss. Just I compare with this board because after one loss again, after one loss again one. So that means this is non-martingale. So after loss, it will not take a martingale. Just same balance it will use. So you have to wait more times because it's slow and accurate board. So better I will pause, then I will come back again. Another one win. So you have to wait. So I hope you will like this video. Don't skip this video, and if you like my channel, you can share with your friends and family and others. So and I think you will get more videos, and you can learn if you want, because I will upload my next video how we can earn little money from binary.com without any risk. So I will show you the technique also. So I hope you will subscribe this channel. So don't skip this video, watch the video to the end. You will get idea and you will like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to contact with me, you can, because I will provide my Telegram personal ID and my email below the description. You can open your account also. I will give you the link below the description. So I hope you will enjoy this video. This is non-martingale board. So I will recommend for this board. So if you have balance 100, so you can play with stake $2. So when you will receive $12, so it will be stop, because if you want more money using this board, you will not get, because this board win ratio is good. So you can make profit without any loss, this is confirmed, but you cannot make more money. Like from $100 you cannot make $50 in a day. It's not possible. So if you receive from $100 and if you use stake $2, so if you receive just $10 $12, so in a month you will receive 300% without any risk. This is good. This is my logic. And if you want to earn more, so you need another board. Okay, so I am using this board when I need little bit money I need. So in that time I use this board, because this board is so much accurate and I know I will not lose. Just it can go in minus and again it will come back in profit. So when it will come in profit, so I will close. So this is good board, I think. So for that's why I am using this one. So if someone can think, okay, if I get this board I will receive more money. No, you cannot, because if you have $500, then you can start stake from $1. So your profit target you can set $50. That's normal. But from just $35 you cannot hope $50, $20, $10. You can think, okay, it's $35, so you can make profit $3, $4, $5 maximum. That is possible. So I think you understand what I'm trying to say, because I don't want to talk false, because I don't like this. If I tell you it will work continue and you will receive more money, so I can. But when you will take this board, you will get idea this is not like this. So then you can call me, oh, he's scammer. So I don't like this. So if you like this, you can subscribe my channel, you can share my videos. I hope you will enjoy this video. And we are waiting our next trade, because this board is slow but accurate board. And if you want, you can use Martingale bot, but your balance need $350 for safety, because if you have $350 you can run 24 hours, but I will recommend you can run just 5 hour or 3 hours, so you will receive maybe little bit money, maybe 5% of your balance, so that's enough, I think. Okay, try my. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So it will continue, so don't worry, continue. I'll come back again. So you can check 22 win and 4 loss. So maybe I hope you understand the logic of this bot. So if someone want 1% or 2%, so if you have balance 1000 and if you use $10 stake, so you will receive within short time $50 without any risk. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So the logic of this board, suppose if you use stake 10, you will get $2.30. So if you run this board continue 1 or 2 hours, you will receive $50. So I hope you understand and you will like this video. So maybe this video will long more, so I hope I will show you again the result of this video. Okay, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you want to contact me, you can. I will provide the link below the description. I hope you will enjoy the video. Well, thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.